Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the new Reolink CX810 camera. So as of this time, this is the best color night vision camera they have. So it comes in this outer packaging and then this black plastic, and then over here is the box. It says do not accept if the seal is broken, so you know it's good. Over here we got the model number and the item number and more boxing like this. So we're going to break the seal and we're going to open it up. So here's the open box. It's got a small tab over here to lift it. In here we got information packet with PoE options that Reolink offers. This box is, we got the waterproof lid installation guide, a template for drilling the holes when you're mounting the camera, a Reolink sticker you can put on your window somewhere. It's got some instructions regarding setting up the camera and a quick start guide for the CX810 and the CX410. Over here is the camera. So here it is. It's got screws on the back for accessing the memory card slot. And over here is how you mount the camera to wherever you are. Over here is up close of how it's going to look. And on the bottom is a QR code and a serial number, etc. I'm not going to show that just for security reasons. And on the bottom is the microphone. On the end is a couple of connections. We got a power connection, data connection, and a reset button. So you should only need the data if you're setting it up as a PoE. Use your Cat 6 or whatever you're using. Over here, this didn't come with my previous cameras. So it says peel off the sticker and stick it on the bracket. So that looks like it goes over here. I think my previous ones, it may have been pre-installed or could be not. Looks like it's just to get a better seal over here. Help with water penetration. I always recommend when you mount this to the wall, just put a clear bead of silicone to help seal it. Over here is a pack of screws and anchors, and over here is the waterproof lid and goes the guide. So that's everything that comes in the box. I'm going to set it up hopefully within the next couple minutes, and I'll probably make a follow-up video. Also, there's Cat 6 cable. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll try to answer your questions. Thank you. Have a great day.